I'm Guy.
Hello, I'm Bruno.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm on my way to New Mexico. What about you?
That sounds nice. I'm on my way to California. So, Guy, how have you been?
I've been alright, but my ex-wife's giving me some pains.
Oh.
What about you?
Well, as for me, my dad used to cheat on my mom a lot, and I would get really confused on like who my mom was. I would see so many women like in and out of my house, right?
Yeah.
So I would call this one girl mom, and the next day if she would just look different, and it just wasn't my mom. But I still would call her mom because I was just so confused.
Oh, I'm really sorry to hear about that.
It's okay. Yeah, sorry about making this awkward and everything, but I just hate my dad so much. He just caused me so much pain and so much confusion. I could just kill him like that.
I think I could kill my ex-wife as well.
I know you won't really take me serious with this banana all over my hand, but we should really swap murders, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah, I could kill your dad.
And then I kill your wife.
Oh.
No, like I'm being like serious. Like I will voluntarily kill your wife.
Oh, okay.
No. Like
Okay.
look at me. I will kill your wife, in however way you want me to.
Okay.
Such a beautiful day outside. I love it. Someone call the police!
Dear Guy, I have killed Miriam. It is now time for you to complete the second murder.
Hello? What was that? My wife's dead? I'll be over immediately. Oh, and who's done this to you?
I wonder who could have done this.
Hey, Guy. I heard you killed my father.
Yeah, I did it. Now leave me alone.
It seems as though I thought we were best friends. I guess not. Hello? Guy. Did you hang up on me?
Man, I can't believe it's my wedding day.
Bruno, what are you doing here? Guy. I just wanted to see you on your day of happiness. That's it.
Bruno, what are you doing at my wedding?
I just wanted to... Ah! Bruno, are you alright? Oh no. Oh god. Oh god.
Why were you with Bruno?
Oh god, I did both of it. I killed Bruno's dad and I killed my ex-wife. I'm sorry, I did it.
You're going to jail.